Welcome back to Health Intellect. In this video, we'll be exploring the secrets to beautiful skin and how to take care of it. Let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is our skin, and why is it so essential? Did you know that adult human skin spans about 21 square feet? That's a lot of surface area to take care of. But skin is not just about size. It constantly regenerates. Every minute, your skin sheds over 30,000 dead cells. Fascinating, isn't it? Think of it as a shield that protects us from harmful UV rays, pollutants, and infections. Now, let's talk about how to keep our skin in tip-top shape. There are 5 main skin types: normal, dry, oily, combination, and sensitive. Each requires different care and attention, from the products you use to your daily routine. Dry skin needs deep hydration, oily skin benefits from oil-free products, while sensitive skin demands gentle, hypoallergenic formulas. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep play a significant role in maintaining healthy skin. Regular exfoliation is key to keeping your skin glowing. It removes the dead cells and reveals fresh, new skin underneath. But remember, over-exfoliation can cause irritation and damage. Limit it to once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. Lastly, never underestimate the power of sunscreen. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and skin cancer. But what about skincare products? Do they really matter? Yes, they do. Using the right skincare products, tailored to your skin type, can make a world of difference. A consistent cleansing routine is vital. Cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and sun protection, these are the pillars of a good skincare routine. Now, let's address some common skin issues. From acne to dryness and wrinkles, we've all been there. But fear not, there are remedies. Natural remedies like aloe vera, honey, and green tea can work wonders for various skin concerns. Taking care of your skin isn't just about appearance, it's about confidence. When your skin feels good, you feel good. And confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear. Embrace your skincare routine as a form of self-care. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the love for healthy, glowing skin. Subscribe to Health Intellect for more facts and tips.